8 reasons why we love Sani holidays. Set within 1,000 acres along the Kassandra peninsula of Halkidiki, backed by rolling mountain landscapes, Mediterranean gardens and overlooking the sparkling blue of the Aegean Sea is Sani Resort. With its 5 luxury hotels, its own private marina combined with a unique level of service and exceptional facilities, at Sani a very special holiday awaits. Here are 8 reasons, from many, why I love Sani Resorts. 1. Dine Around. Sani's unique Dine Around program entitles half-board and full-board guests to experience a gourmet adventure during their stay, at no less than 24 restaurants throughout the resort. Whether you're a fan of Greek, French, Italian, Japanese or Asian food, innovative menus, created by Michelin-starred chefs, will satisfy all tastes with captivating dishes and a fusion of flavors. 2. Nutritional kids menus. Expert food nutritionist Annabelle Carmel ensures babies and children can enjoy super tasty meals at Sani. There's something for even the pickiest of eaters with Annabelle's yummy baby and children's menus specially designed so mealtime is fun yet healthy. 3. Sani Suite Collection. Thoughtful upgrades, complimentary treats and personalized services throughout your stay as a Sani Suite Collection guest. Champagne on arrival, a pillow menu, upgraded in-room dining menu featuring a la carte menus from Sani Marina restaurants, and Semonan toiletries, straw beach bags, upgraded towels selection, complimentary daily newspaper service and more. 4. Sani Gourmet. The acclaimed foodie event, Sani Gourmet, is held at Sani Resort every May, welcoming Michelin-starred chefs from Greece and around the globe to cook in Sani's top restaurants. Showcasing the best in gastronomy, this 5-day event is a must for those wanting to experience a taste of something spectacular. 5. Sani Festival. The unmistakable sound of the summer at Sani Resort is the Sani Festival, which takes place every July and August in the glorious open-air setting of the natural amphitheatre upon Sani Hill. For over 2 decades, music lovers have flocked to Sani Resort for this atmospheric collaboration that welcomes both distinguished and emerging artists from the world of jazz, opera, Cuban rhythms and the best Greek music. 6. Rafa Nadal Tennis. Tennis lovers of all ages can enjoy a holiday in the magnificent setting of Sani Resort whilst improving on their tennis technique and game under the expert guidance of Rafa Nadal's coaching team. The Rafa Nadal Tennis Center, in partnership with the Grand Slam winning tennis champ, provides the very best in tennis coaching to aspiring players. 7. Sani Football Academy. Football crazy kids will be in their element knowing they can enjoy professional football coaching whilst on holiday in Greece, with Premier League favourites Chelsea Football Club. The Chelsea FC Foundation Football Coaching Academy is a footballing paradise for Sani guests aged 4 to 16, offering star tuition 5 days a week with qualified coaches. 8. Childcare and Kids Club. At Sani, mums and dads can relax in the knowledge that their children are in safe hands with superb kids clubs run by UK childcare specialists Worldwide Kids. Daily organized activities from arts and crafts to more action-packed fun will keep both boys and girls busy, whether in Sani Creche 4 months to 4 years, Melissa Mini Club 4 to 12 years, or the Sani Teenagers Club 13 to 17 years. The Babe Watch babysitting service also provides parents with 30 minutes complimentary childcare at the beach every day of their stay. And that's just 8 of the reasons we love holidaying at Sani Resort. I holiday with my family at Sani myself. In fact, my daughter was married there 2 years ago. So to find out more about the luxurious Sani Resorts, why not call me, Barbara, on my free phone 0808 1089 100, and I will tell you everything you need to know. Plus at the time of creating this video there is a 20% discount on Sani holidays for 2020. Thank you, and finally, if you stay watching, you can now see exactly what I've been talking about in the following footage.
We came, senses tingling with expectation. We had heard tales, the stuff of legend. Then, a glimpse, a shoreline carpeted in gold. Sunbeams dancing on the waves. Nature and man in perfect harmony. They took us by the hand. a bed of feathers to rest upon. That special touch, just for us. Our children's faces aglow, everyone's favorite games. Diving so deep, flying so high, sailing into our dreams. Every day, special. Whatever our hearts desired, from all corners of the world. A theatre just for us. Musicians performing songs we loved. To a chorus of birdsong, we cast aside our inhibitions and found ourselves like kings and queens. And what they did just for us, they will do just for you. One resort, one world, one desire. Sani, Kassandra, Greece.